Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered how to build anticipation and make her want you more but felt unsure about the techniques? Today, we're going to uncover the strategies that many men often overlook, which can significantly increase romantic anticipation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to keep her intrigued and wanting more. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video, which ties all these points together beautifully. Stay tuned for it. Before we go on, if you're curious about improving your dating skills, why not book a free 60-minute strategy call? Just click the link below. Ready to enhance your romantic interactions and become irresistible? Let's dig in and discover these powerful techniques together. 1. Create mystery and intrigue. One of the most captivating aspects of any relationship is the element of mystery. Think about the allure of a novel or a movie. It's the unknown, the anticipation of what's to come that keeps you hooked. The same principle applies to romantic interactions. Being a bit mysterious and not revealing everything about yourself immediately can make you irresistibly intriguing. Mystery fuels curiosity, and curiosity is a powerful motivator. When you don't lay all your cards on the table right away, it creates a sense of intrigue that keeps her wanting to know more. This doesn't mean you should be secretive or dishonest. Rather, it's about revealing your story in a way that leaves her eager to learn the next chapter. On your first date, talk about interesting moments rather than your whole life narrative. Mention, for instance, that you have lived abroad in the past without going into too much information right away. She becomes curious about this and starts asking questions. This makes the conversation more of a dialogue than a lecture. Discuss your interests and passions in a style that suggests further in-depth explanations. If you enjoy hiking, share a memorable hike you took without giving the whole details. She is intrigued by this and would like to hear more about your travels in the future. When she asks about your job, instead of a straightforward answer, add a touch of intrigue. For instance, say, "I work in a field that lets me travel to some pretty unexpected places. I'll tell you about my craziest trip sometime." This not only answers her question, but also sets the stage for future storytelling. When planning dates or activities, keep some elements as surprises. If you're taking her to a new restaurant, don't reveal the cuisine. If you're planning a day out, give her a hint like, "Wear something comfortable and be ready for a bit of adventure." This builds anticipation and excitement. 2. Master the art of flirting. Flirting is an art form that, when mastered, can turn any interaction into a dance of excitement and anticipation. The key to effective flirting is to keep it playful and subtle. It's about creating a magnetic pull, a sense of fun, and a hint of mystery all wrapped into one. Careful and lighthearted flirting facilitates connection building without being too overbearing. She enjoys and finds the interactions lighthearted, which makes her eager for each new interaction. Greater relationships start with flirting, which is the spark that captures interest and attraction. A gentle touch on her arm while laughing at her joke, a brief brush of your hand against hers, these light touches can send powerful signals of interest without being too forward. Locking eyes with her for a moment longer than usual can create a sense of intimacy. It shows confidence and interest, making her feel seen and appreciated. Light-hearted teasing about something she says or does can create a fun and engaging dynamic. Just make sure it's always respectful and kind. Offer genuine compliments that go beyond the surface. Instead of just saying she looks nice, compliment her on her laugh or her unique perspective on a topic. 3. Use delayed gratification. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, mastering the art of delayed gratification can set you apart. Delaying gratification builds anticipation and makes each moment spent together more meaningful. Anxiety and desire are brought on by delayed fulfillment. She begins to look forward to your next conversation and treasure your time together even more as a result. By using this method, the relationship can become more fulfilling and the emotional bonds can become stronger. Resist the urge to rush into physical or emotional intimacy. Let each stage of your relationship unfold naturally. Enjoy the process of getting to know each other. When a conversation is getting really good, suggest picking it up next time you meet. This leaves her eagerly anticipating your next interaction. Instead of cramming all your plans into one date, spread them out. Mention exciting activities or places you want to take her to in the future, building excitement for what's to come. Don't be constantly available. Give her space to miss you by spacing out your texts or calls. This creates a rhythm of anticipation and excitement. 4. Engage in deep, meaningful conversations. Meaningful and in-depth talks are a shining example of real connection in a society full of little talk. These talks not only promote greater comprehension between you, but also create emotional anticipation and a link that extends beyond appearances. You may tell you value her opinions and feelings by having in-depth discussions. Establishing a secure environment for openness and genuineness is crucial for developing a robust emotional bond. You create a feeling of intimacy and trust when you have these conversations, because you are inviting her into your world and stepping into hers. Ask her about her dreams for the future. What does she hope to achieve? This opens up a conversation about passions and goals. Discuss moments that have significantly impacted your lives. These stories often reveal a lot about a person's character and values. Go into more detail on subjects like what happiness is and what she thinks is the secret to living a happy life. These talks have the potential to be quite interesting and thought-provoking. Talk about your best trip experiences, childhood memories, or the best advice you've ever heard. These individual accounts can help people comprehend one another better. Talk about the things in life that she values most. Gaining an understanding of her fundamental principles and convictions can improve your emotional bond. Appreciating the advice. If you want to dive deeper, our free 60-minute strategy call is perfect for those ready to change their dating dynamics. Learn powerful strategies to meet more women and build your confidence. Secure your spot via the link in the pinned comment. 5. Plan memorable dates. Memorable dates are the spice that keeps a relationship exciting and fresh. They break the routine and create unforgettable moments that both of you will cherish. The anticipation of a unique date can build excitement and make her look forward to every time you meet. The act of arranging special dates shows your thoughtfulness and effort in your relationship, and it gives her a sense of worth and appreciation. It also adds an exciting element to your time together, and these dates end up becoming the best parts of your relationship and the foundation for enduring memories. Plan a day of hiking to a scenic spot, followed by a picnic, or try something new together like rock climbing or ziplining. The thrill of adventure can bring you closer. Visit a museum, attend a live theater performance, or explore a local art gallery. These activities provide plenty to talk about and share. Choose a cuisine you both love and cook a meal together. The process of working together in the kitchen can be fun and intimate. Drive to a quiet spot away from city lights, lay out a blanket, and stargaze. Bring along a telescope or just enjoy the beauty of the night sky. Create a personalized scavenger hunt around your city or neighborhood with clues leading to places significant to your relationship or interesting landmarks. 6. Be unpredictable. Unpredictability is one of the most exciting parts of any relationship. It's the flavor that adds excitement and novelty to every interaction, leaving it feeling thrilling and novel. Being erratic and impulsive has the power to turn an ordinary relationship into an exciting trip full of delightful surprises. Her routine is disrupted, and she is constantly on the lookout for your next intriguing move, which keeps her intrigued. She becomes excited to see you and interested in what's going to happen since it evokes a feeling of mystery and adventure. Being spontaneous shows your energy and fun, which are very appealing and engaging traits. Without any prior notice, pick her up and take her to a new restaurant she's been wanting to try, or a surprise picnic at a scenic spot. The unexpected change of plans can be thrilling. Leave a sweet note in her bag, send a thoughtful text during her busy day, or bring her favorite treat just because. These small gestures show you're thinking of her. On a whim, suggest a spontaneous road trip to a nearby town or a late-night walk under the stars. These unexpected adventures can create memorable experiences. Plan a date that's out of the ordinary, like visiting a quirky museum, going to a drive-in movie, or taking a pottery class together. The novelty keeps things exciting. Bonus tip: the power of absence and space. Today's bonus tip: less is more in certain situations. In a relationship, the power of space and absence can be significant, increasing her desire for your presence. It might be a source of longing and anticipation to give her space and not always be available. She can miss you when you give her space. Your time together may feel more meaningful and special as a result of this absence. Because shared moments are fleeting, they are treasured greater when it generates a sense of equilibrium. It's true that being absent makes the heart grow fonder. While it's important to show interest and be attentive, avoid being too available. Let her wonder what you're up to occasionally, which builds intrigue. Engage in your own hobbies, spend time with friends, and pursue your interests. This not only makes you more interesting, but also shows that you have a fulfilling life outside of the relationship. Let her know that you value both your time together and your individual space. This mutual respect can strengthen the relationship. When you plan to meet, let there be some build-up. A little waiting can make the eventual meeting much more exciting. So now you know ways to build anticipation and make her want you more. What's next for you? Discover sexy older man traits younger women will fall in love with, or learn if a younger woman is flirting or just being friendly. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.